Today we're checking out the Ultra Hybrid S iPhone case from Spigen. This is one of the MagFit product line that is compatible with MagSafe. Now let's check what's in the box and let's see how it fits. Although it's just an iPhone case, Spigen still included a simple instruction manual. And now let's check out this iPhone case. And just by holding on to it, I can feel that the quality is solid and nothing about this case feels cheap. And the back has round edges for easy handling. That is why it's comfortable for everyday use. And the materials used for this case is a combination of polyurethane material and thermoplastic polycarbonate material, so you can expect durability. The inside of this case is a very smooth surface, so no worries about scratching the back of your phone. And the metal ring is also inside the case, that's why the back of this case is a very smooth surface. And if you haven't noticed, the section around the camera and the four corners of this case has extra footing, so it protects the lenses of your camera from scratches. Now let me show you how the iPhone fits in this case and also to show you the rest of its features. Well, I can tell you right now it's a perfect fit and even the buttons are perfectly aligned. And I'm liking how it changed the grip of my iPhone. And another amazing feature of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S iPhone case is the retractable kickstand, which gives you a hands-free viewing. So you don't have to hold your phone when you're on a call or if you're watching something. And this kickstand has been tested 10,000 times to make sure that your phone will not fall off when you use this kickstand. And one last feature of this iPhone case is the air cushion technology that is located in all four corners of this case. And it acts like an airbag that protects your iPhone from impact and accidental drops. They also have the Ultra Hybrid S for Samsung Galaxy phones, so check that out. So guys, this is the Ultra Hybrid S iPhone case from Spigen. Get yours today, and thanks for watching.